Hi, this is Dr. Richard Downs with Sleep Balance Academy. I'm a dentist in Iowa, and this is addressed to chiropractors. I want to show you two devices that can help you with your snoring patients. Let me show them to you. First one is called the Circle Ring, spelled C-I-R-C-U-L. You can see it's expandable, fits on one finger. This is an FDA-cleared pulse oximetry device that can help you tremendously with these patients. The second one is called the Night Owl. This is a one-finger home sleep study. This is an FDA-cleared actual home sleep study that can replace the expensive in-office and in-lab sleep studies that cost anywhere from $2,100 to $2,500. You can sell this to your patient for $500. It costs you $150 or less. The two together can be sold to your patients for a profit of over $500. More importantly, it'll help your patients tremendously, and it'll help your practice. So let me show you the QR code where you can order these special devices. Hold on a moment. Okay, here's the QR code. Just go ahead and photograph that with your phone. It'll take you directly to a landing page on sleepbalanceacademy.com. It's a special page that does not show up in the navigation bar. These prices are especially for you. If you want a link, just go to sleepbalanceacademy.com/special-offers ? Thank you very much.